The findings suggest that air pollution from road traffic in London is adversely affecting fetal growth. Photo Pixabay Paul Gallagher. One day, Tuesday, December 5, 2017. Air pollution from road traffic is putting unborn babies' health at risk, according to a new study. A team led by Imperial College London used national birth registers to study more than 540,000 births in Greater London between 2006 and 2010. Since the vast majority of the most toxic vehicles on our roads are diesel cars and vans, the UK government must introduce a national remove and replace diesel vehicle policy to protect the health of children, both born and to be born. Professor Jonathan Grigg, Queen Mary University of London. Researchers estimated average monthly concentrations of traffic-related pollutants by looking at the mother's home address at the time of birth. An analysis of the data found that increases in traffic-related air pollutants were associated with 2 to 6% increased odds of low birth weight and 1 to 3% increased odds of being small for gestational age. The findings suggest that air pollution from road traffic in London is adversely affecting fetal growth, the study's authors concluded. With the annual number of births projected to continue increasing in London, the absolute health burden will increase at the population level, unless air quality in London improves. Pneumonia and asthma pediatricians said the study strengthens the argument that a relatively short-term exposure of 9 months or less to vehicle exhaust emissions adversely affects fetal growth. Jonathan Grigg, professor of pediatric respiratory and environmental medicine at Queen Mary University of London, said, "Children in London and other large urban areas are currently inhaling traffic-derived pollutants that increase the risk of pneumonia and asthma, and stunt lung growth." This study suggests that damaging effects of air pollution start well before birth. Since the vast majority of the most toxic vehicles on our roads are diesel cars and vans, the UK government must introduce a national remove and replace diesel vehicle policy to protect the health of children, both born and to be born. The study, published in the BMJ, found no evidence that exposure to road traffic noise was linked to birth weight, but the authors said they cannot rule out that an association might be observed in a study area with a wider range of noise exposures. Researchers said the findings apply to other cities across the UK and Europe and are calling for policies to improve air quality in urban areas. In news, http://cnews.co.uk